In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Gumroad to Make for advanced automations and workflows. First, open make.com and Gumroad in your browser. Log into your accounts before starting the setup. Once you are inside make.com, create a new scenario to begin your automation workflow. Now search for Gumroad in the integrations list and select it as your trigger app. Next, choose a trigger event like watch sales so the automation runs whenever someone purchases one of your products. After that, connect your Gumroad account using your API key. To find the API key, open your Gumroad dashboard, go to Settings, then open the Advanced section and copy your API key. Paste the API key into make.com and finish connecting your account. Now, you can add additional modules to your workflow depending on what you want to automate. For example, you can connect Google Sheets, Notion, email platforms, CRMs, or membership tools. You can also create multi-step automations like sending customer emails, adding buyers to databases, updating spreadsheets, or granting course access automatically. Once your workflow is ready, click Run Once to test the automation and make sure everything works correctly. If the test runs successfully, turn the scenario on. Now your Gumroad sales and customer actions will automatically trigger your connected workflows inside make.com. You can also use routers and filters to separate digital products, memberships, upsells, or different customer types for more advanced automation setups. And that's how to connect Gumroad to make.com. Thanks for watching and goodbye.